So today we are going to determine how much space of RAM can your PC support. So when you have decided whether you are going to expand your RAM, so it's important for you to check how much your PC can support. So you come to the search bar, you search for command, this one, then you run as an administrator. So when it brings this prompt, you type the following words: WMSI space memphysical space get space max capacity X. Then you press enter. So these are the digits that you get. You can see them clearly, those one. So you take those digits, so for example, let's copy our number here. Let's go to the calculator. So you take that number, you divide by 1024, you get your answer. Then the answer, you divide it again by 1024. So you see, so for example, this one can only support up to 8 gigabytes of RAM. Thank you. I hope this video has been helpful to you.